Where was the first Congress season was held in Bihar? Answer A. Gaya. Who was chairperson in the All India Socialist Congress held at Patna 1934? Answer B. Acharya Narendra Deva. What was the traditional water conservation irrigation system used in South Bihar? Answer A. Ahar Pine. Which one was the capital of Bimbisara? Answer B. Patliputra. Which Magadh king was also known by the name Saniya? Answer D. Bimbisara. In which year Ramdhari Singh Dinkar has been awarded with the Satya Academy Award? Answer A. 1959. For which one of his work Ramdhari Singh Dinkar has been awarded with the Satya Academy Award? Answer D. संस्कृति के 4 अध्याय. In which district the Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary is located? Answer B. Bhagalpur. Patna Film Festival was first started in the year? Answer B. 2006. Patna University is the dash old university in Indian subcontinent? Answer D. 7th. Which was the first Hindi newspaper published in Bihar? Answer B. Bihar Bandhu. Hindi was introduced in the law courts in Bihar in the year? Answer A. 1880. Total number of administrative divisions in Bihar is? Answer B. 9. Which district in Bihar has the highest density of population? Answer D. Shohar. Which district in Bihar has the lowest density of population? Answer C. Kaimur. In which year Patliputra was renamed as Azimabad? Answer B. 1704. The Lomas Rishi cave is located in? Answer C. Jahanabad. The 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, was born in Patna in the year dash? Answer A. 1666. The Patna Museum was inaugurated in the year? Answer B. 1917. Total number of sanctuaries in Bihar is? Answer C. 11. Bihar's only national park. Valmiki National Park is located in which district? Answer D. West Champaran. Which one is the largest wildlife sanctuary in Bihar in terms of area size? Answer A. Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary. During British rule, how much land was reserved for indigo cultivation out of every 20 Katha Bigha of land in Bihar? Answer A. 3 Katha Bigha. Which company established its factory in 1632 at Patna, Bihar? Answer B. Dutch East Indian Company. Who drew Gandhiji's attention to the plight of indigo peasants in Champaran? Answer D. Rajkumar Shukla. Who wrote मेरा भारत का कांड हा, the official state song of Bihar? Answer C. Satyanarayan. In which year मेरा भारत का कांड हा was adopted as the official song of Bihar? Answer B. 2012. Tilhar waterfall is located in which district? Answer C. Kaimur district. Who is the first recipient of the Padma Vibhushan Award from Bihar? Answer A. Syed Fazal Ali. Who is the first recipient of the Padma Bhushan Award from Bihar? Answer D. Shyam Nandan Sahai. Who is the first recipient of the Padma Shri Award from Bihar? Answer B. Amal Kumar Shah. Bihar is the dash largest state in India by population. Answer B. Third. Which one is the oldest wildlife sanctuary in Bihar? Answer C. Gautam Buddha Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kakola waterfall is located in which district? Answer C. Nevada. Total number of members in the Bihar Legislative Assembly is? Answer D. 243. Total number of members in the Bihar Legislative Council is? Answer B. 75. How many members are nominated in the Bihar Legislative Council? Answer C. 12. Who is the first Speaker of Bihar Legislative Assembly in independent India? Answer D. Bindeshwari Prasad Verma. The Patna High Court was established on? Answer B. 1916. Who was the first Chief Justice of the Patna High Court? Answer D. Edward Maynard Des Champs Chamier. Who is the longest serving Chief Minister of Bihar? Answer A. Nitish Kumar. Prince of Wales Medical College was established in the year? Answer C. 1925. The statue of Vasupujya is located in which district? Answer B. West Champaran. Who is the first winner of the Sahitya Academy Award for Maithili language? Answer B. Yashodhar Jha. In 2020, Kamal Kant Jha won the Satya Academy Award for Maithili language for the book Gajrosai Achhi. Nagi Dam Bird Sanctuary is located in which district? Answer A. Jamul. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of Patna High Court? Answer B. Rekha Doshit. Who was the first Indian Chief Justice of Patna High Court after independence? Answer D. Lakshmi Kant Jha. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India from Bihar? Answer A. Gyan Sudha Misra. Who was the first ruler of the Kanva dynasty? Answer B. Vasudeva.